there, TRW crew, Matt Masalo here with RhinestoneWorld.com. So this is another video tutorial for the TRW Stone Wizard version 2.05. A couple things here I wanted to show you. As you know, I posted on the Facebook page that we're going to be carrying a new fashion heat transfer vinyl that's going to give you the zebra prints and the army prints, some different animal prints with the leopard and the zebra and the chevron and the polka dot. So some pretty cool heat transfer vinyls that we're going to be carrying. So I wanted to show you a sample of what we're going to do with the wizard with that. And then obviously we also have our new neon colors that we're going to be adding, some of our electric colors. So we're going to be adding all these to the wizard, and then once we get them all in stock, we'll get them all into the wizard, and of course we'll give you a free upgrade for that, and that way all of you have everything that we offer on the website in the heat transfer vinyls available right in the TRW Stone Wizard. So that's the great thing about us having the TRW Stone Wizard version 2.05 is because it's our program, we can add all of our products into it, and then anything that obviously you purchase on our website, you'll have the ability to make it just look exactly like that in the TRW Stone Wizard and CorelDRAW. So as you can see, I'm working in CorelDRAW X7, the 64-bit. So TRW Stone Wizard is the only macro that I know of for rhinestones that is compatible with X7 and 64-bit. So get that full speed and the newest feature of CorelDRAW, the newest product with CorelDRAW, using your Rhinestone program. So let's go ahead and just give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. So let's just say we have a text here, and I'm going to type out baseball. Okay, so very easy, just type out baseball here, and let's say I go to fonts and I want my impact font. Alright, and then I'm going to go about 9.6 inches wide. Now what I'm going to do is, or actually what I want to do, I'm going to do Mustangs. So I spelt that wrong. Mustangs. So I got Mustangs there. And again, let's go to about, I don't know, 9.5 inches. That seems like a good amount. Now I'm just going to duplicate that down there. And let's do volleyball. So I got Mustangs volleyball. Now the volleyball I'm going to make a lot smaller here, and I'm going to spread it out a little bit. So I'm going to come over here to the wizard. I'm going to go to my edit tab, text spacing, and just drag it out a little bit. Get that kind of cool spread out effect there. So it's a little bit smaller. Doesn't stand out quite as much as the Mustangs, but gives that nice look to it. And then we could also eventually add a volleyball or anything we want. So this is going to be a just heat transfer vinyl design here, and I'm going to show you how awesome this can look. So let's say, I don't know, Mustangs volleyball is doing something cool to support the troops, and they want an army looking design, or they want a zebra design. Well, what I did is I threw a couple of these in the TRW Stone Wizard. Now this won't be in your wizard version right now, as of today, April 2nd, but we will be adding all these into the wizard, and we aren't going to obviously charge any extra for it. So if I go to my magic vinyl, you can see I have my magic glitter, my holographic, and then my fashion. So I added 4 of them in here just to give you an idea of different things that we can do. So let's say we want to do a camo look to it. So I'm going to click on this, hit my camo, and check that out. We got our Mustangs. Looks awesome there on the shirt, and gives you that perfect look of your actual kind of fashion product that we have in the heat transfer vinyl, so you can show your customer exactly what it looks like as well. Well, let's say we wanted to go with our zebra look. Bam, there you go. There's our zebra look. Now you can see if I move it around right here, sometimes, and I'm not getting any right now, but let's say if I make it bigger, I'm just going to make this huge just to show you what I'm talking about. So see right here, you have a little bit of a tiling effect in it. Well, we don't want that. So to avoid that, all you're going to do is go arrange and convert to curves, and it gets rid of all that. So it's going to make it look great for you. Alright, so let's get back down to our original size here. So we got our Mustangs, we got our volleyball, and our volleyball, we're going to make that a nice dark black there. And let's say this was just going to go on a white shirt. And what if you wanted like a black outline around the Mustangs? You could do that as well. All I can do is click on my Mustangs here. I'm going to go to my place and fill. I'm going to do one island to the outside. Let's go at 0.01 and island fill. And if I left click, that's a little bit too thick, I would think. So let's go back a couple steps, Control Z, and let's go to, I don't know, 0.07. Island fill. Now I have that print selected, so if I just left click on this X, it'll show me exactly what I'm looking at here. So that looks pretty good there. So now I'm going to left click on the black, and then right click on the X to get rid of that outline, and you'll see that's the look I'm going to get now. So if you wanted that black outline around it, that's what you would get. Highlight my entire design. Let's go over here to our mockup tab. So I got my mockups. I don't want a watermark. I don't need to simulate stones because there's no stones. I want to go ahead and add my logo, and I want that to go on the front of a shirt. Let's put it on a tank top shirt here. We'll click on our tank top. It's going to run through it right there perfectly for us. Now see how the design doesn't look that great. It doesn't have that zebra look to it. Well, that's why I wanted to show you this, because watch, if I go back to page 1, and there's my original design. Remember what I forgot to do? I didn't convert it to curves. I want it to look exactly like this. So let's go arrange and convert to curves. Now watch the difference of how my design looks. So I'm going to highlight that design. I'm going to click on the same tank top right here. Didn't do anything different but convert it to curves. Now look at the look I'm going to get. So now it looks awesome. It gets that Mustang's volleyball look to it. Perfect. If you want to change the color of your shirt, you could change it to a yellow. You could change it to a blue. Change it to a purple. Awesome things you can do here in the TRW Stone Wizard, that you can customize it to any color shirt you want. So very cool there. And we got our white, we got our Mustang's volleyball, we got our design over here. Let's say we wanted the background to be, I don't know, a gray color. We can turn that to a gray. We could turn the shirt color to, let's say, a yellow, and pretty sweet looking right there. So we're going to have probably about 20 to 30 different pattern heat transfer vinyls available here in probably about a week. We're hoping to have them at the end of the week, and it is April 2nd, 2014 right now if you're watching this video in the future. But very, very cool with the TRW Stone Wizard. And when you go to your Magic vinyls, we're going to have all these different prints in there as well. That's going to make it very easy for you. So look how easy it is to even change to my camo. So once I'm in my actual design, I can still do it. How awesome is that? They say, man, what's the black and white one look like? Hey, that's what the black and white one looks like. What's the chevron font look like? Hey, there's your chevron font for you. And you can rotate the chevron font if you want. You just let us know. Do you want it going vertical like that? Do you want it going horizontal? We can switch it around in the program to whatever the TRW crew wants, because it's our program. We can do whatever we want with it. So again, chevron font. There you go. We got the zebra. Oh, we also have a pretty awesome pink and black zebra that you guys are going to love. Our white and black zebra, there you go there. We could change the color of this to, let's say, a white. We can change the color of this, the background, to a black again. So pretty awesome looking designs there. Even if we wanted to change the background color to a blue or red or anything you want to match some team colors, but it's still going to give you that awesome look. And then I'm going to show you one more feature with it. So again, we have that Mustang's volleyball there. Let's take this. I'm just increasing my workspace just to make it a little bit bigger, because you always want to have your designs inside of your workspace for it to work with the mockups, okay? So now let's just go to our text here. Let's type out number 23. Let's go over here to our fonts. Let's type out College Black. And with our College Black there, let's make our 23 a little bit larger here. So we're almost 7 inches tall. Pretty awesome there. Let's go ahead and give that zebra look again. Again, you're going to have a little bit of the tiling in there. See the tiling right there? Watch what happens. Again, arrange and convert to curves. The tiling's all gone. Looks perfect for us. All right? Perfect. Let's go ahead and grab this font here. Actually, I don't want the spacing on it, so I'm just going to type it out. And let's say I'm making this one for my wife, so I'm going to spell out my name there. And let's say my daughter plays for the Mustangs volleyball team. We're going to go fonts. We're going to go over here and do impact. So looks awesome there. And on the impact, we're going to highlight that design there. And let's say on the back, let's say we want to do it on a white tank top like we had, but what we also want to do is we want to use some glitter vinyl. Okay, so watch this. We can go again here, and this time we're going to go to the glitter, and we're going to do glitter black, and then we're going to do an outline on our number here in the glitter black as well. So watch this. We got that selected, correct? Now, because this is a regular heat transfer vinyl, we can actually layer the glitter a little bit on top of that as well. Okay, or vice versa. So watch what we can do. If I highlight that design, and I'll probably still use the magic trap. So if I go to place and fill, I'm going one island to outside island fill, and left click on my X. See, that's a little bit of an outline. I want to go a little bit more than that, let's say. So let's go 0.09. Island fill, left click on my X. That looks pretty good. I like that. I'm happy with that. So let's go ahead and go to my magic vinyl again. Let's do our black glitter. Right click to get rid of that blue outline. And what do you think? I still think we want to go a little bit thicker with that outline. So I'm just Control Z to go back a few steps. Go back to my place and fill. Let's go 0.14. A decent amount here. Left click. That looks awesome. I like that right there. So again, let's go to my magic vinyl. Black vinyl. Left click on that. Right click to get rid of my blue outline. That's looking sweet. Highlight my design. Go to my edit tab. Now again, if you look at my design, you're going to see the black glitter behind it and my zebra print on top. But I can't layer my zebra print right on top of my black glitter, right? So highlight both of them. Let's hit magic trap there real quick. Pretty sweet. Watch this. Bam. Okay, perfect trapping method there. If I go to view and my wireframe, there's your trap right there. Did it all in the TRW Stone Wizard there for you. Go back to my enhanced view. So that's what I got there. Now, watch this. So I got my Vassallo 23. I want that to be on the back. I want the Mustangs volleyball to be on the front. So I'm going to highlight what I want to be on the front of the design. And then let's go to my mockups. And I want to add my logo. I don't need a watermark on this for right now. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go front and back. So whatever I have selected is going to go on the front of the shirt. Whatever I don't have selected that's inside my workspace is going to go on the back of the shirt. What do we want it on? We want it on a tank top? Let's shoot it on a tank top, see what it looks like. Hit our tank top right there. And there we go. Beautiful. Now, what we can also do is, for example, when we're in here, let's change that to white. Okay. Now you can always edit these boxes around that are inside there, change that to white so it stands out, shows them exactly what that logo looks like. Get your logo on the back there. It gives all of the sizing information for the design. Zoom in, looks perfect there. Zoom in, looks perfect there. Now again, see when I zoom in there, see how the glitter gets a little bit distorted there, right? Watch, again, these are just quick little tricks that you can learn that are going to help you a lot. So I'm going to click on my glitter, go arrange, and I'm going to go ahead and combine those. So those are combined now, and then arrange, and I'm going to convert my outline, which was this, to an object. Boom, there. Let's see if it looks any different. Highlight, same design, front and back. Run through it here real quick. And see how the glitter looks a lot better? It's not quite, and I'm going to show you both of them. Boom. And see how that's my glitter on the other one. See how it's real pixelated? Where when I go back to this one, it gives me more of that glitter look. Now the black's always hard anyways to tell that it's the glitter, but you can see that it has that glitter effect there even on the outline. But again, if you combine them or convert them to curves, it's going to give that better look. So any of you that are working with the wizard and you want to get that better look on your design, make sure to go ahead and convert it to curves or combine it, and that's going to give you that better effect. Alright, so I hope this video helped you out. You guys are going to love these new different heat transfer vinyls that we're going to be carrying on the website with the different prints, along with our different new neon glitter vinyls, all of our easy weeds, everything else. So definitely we will post it on the website as soon as we have all this available. We're actually doing a giveaway on some of the new fashion patterns that we're going to be carrying. As soon as they come in stock, we'll post a video, show you the different things we have, show you what we're going to do for a giveaway. So make sure to check that out on our YouTube channel at the Rhinestone World, and check out our Facebook page, of course, the Rhinestone World. We have a couple giveaways going on right now on April 2nd. But if you do have any questions over any of this, make sure to give us a call. Numbers 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com. You guys all have an awesome day.